Namaskar, dear students. Prayers to Ma Sharda. We are discussing problems of JEE. Topic is inverse trigonometric functions. Okay. Troubleshooting session. Troubleshooting means the difficulties asked by beloved students. Okay. Uh, I have given some assignments and some of the brilliant students cannot solve some of the problems, okay, that we are going to solve here. Okay, so first, if cos inverse x plus cos inverse y plus cos inverse z equals to 3 pi, then value of xy plus yz plus zx equals to what? Okay, we are given choices. Now first of all, see what is range of cos inverse. It is closed interval 0 to pi. Okay, so the maximum value of cos inverse is pi, and the sum has value 3 pi. That means each term must be having value of pi. Okay, so maximum value of cos inverse is pi, and cos inverse x plus cos inverse y plus cos inverse z equals to 3 pi can be written as pi plus pi plus pi. That means cos inverse x equals to pi, cos inverse y equals to pi, cos inverse z equals to pi. Okay. Normally in JEE they ask tricky questions. Okay. Always think the borders, okay, of any range of any domain. Yesterday also we solved such problem for sine inverse. Okay. So borders means 0 to pi. Okay. Consider 0 ones, consider pi ones. Okay. So here we have considered pi, and we got the LHS equals to RHS. That means cos inverse x equals to cos inverse x equals to pi, cos inverse y equals to pi, cos inverse z equals to pi. Okay. So we can write x equals to cos pi, y equals to cos pi, z equals to cos pi, and value of cos pi is -1. Now putting here xy plus yz plus zx, that is -1 into -1 plus again -1 into -1 plus again -1 into -1, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Okay, so the answer is D. Next, the number of positive integral solutions of tan inverse x plus cos inverse of y upon square root of 1 plus y square equals to sin inverse of 3 by 10. Choices are given. First of all, let us convert this cos inverse and this sin inverse into tan inverse. Okay, for that we can use formulae, but the easy method is to prepare right angle triangle. Okay, so see cos inverse of y upon square root of 1 plus y square, so adjacent side upon hypotenuse. From this, applying Pythagoras, we can get here 1. So cos inverse of y upon square root of 1 plus y square can be written as tan inverse of 1 upon y. Okay, opposite side upon adjacent side. Now for this, prepare right angle triangle. Sine inverse means sine means opposite side upon hypotenuse. Okay, so this will be according to Pythagoras 1. Okay, square of 10 root 10, that is 10, minus square of 3, that is 9, 10 minus 9, that is 1, square root of it is 1. Okay, so here the tan inverse will be equal to opposite side upon adjacent side, so tan inverse of 3 upon 1. For sin inverse of 3 by root 10, we can write tan inverse of 3 by 1. Okay, now we have formula for this. Tan inverse of x plus 1 upon y upon 1 minus x into 1 upon y equals to tan inverse of 3. Comparing this, okay, in other words, taking tan both the sides. Okay, so tan of tan inverse will give us identity function. Similarly here, okay, so xy plus 1 upon y minus x, denominators will be cancelled, equals to 3. So xy plus 1 equals to 3y minus 3x. Taking 3x here and this xy at that side. In that case, y will be common, 3 minus x equals to 1 plus 3x. So y will be equal to 1 plus 3x upon 3 minus x. See, we need positive integral solution. Positive. Okay. So first of all, this x must be either 0 or 1 or 2. Okay, because otherwise this will become negative. We cannot take 3. Okay, and if we take 4 it will be negative, but we need positive integral solution. So considering x equals to, see, if we take x equals to 0, what will happen? 1 by 3, but that is not integral solution. Okay, so take x equals to 1. So 1 plus 3 upon 3 minus 1, that is 2. So 4 by 2, that is, if x equals to 1, y equals to 2. Similarly, if I put here 2, okay, then 1 plus 3 into 2, that is 1 plus 6, that is 7. Upon 3 minus 2, that is 1. So if x equals to 2, y will be 7. So there are two solutions, 1, 2 and 2, 7. Okay, so answer is C. Your answer is